Happy Halloween! Did you have a good one? Well, it's about to get even better. I'm gonna be microwaving this pumpkin and hopefully it'll blow up nicely. You know Ellen loves to scare people, so she's gonna try to make this blow up to really provide an awesome jump scare for your entertainment and mine. I'm gonna give this 31 minutes and 10 seconds for Halloween. Well, that sucked. Okay, let's open it up. Examine the post product, which is a very droopy pumpkin. It's just a very well-kept, droopy pumpkin. I had such high hopes for this experiment. I thought it could do so much more, but That pumpkin just cooked. Oh, if last year's Halloween special was the treat, this one was the trick. This could have gone so many ways. This could have been outright dangerous, if not deadly, and the whole thing exploded, blowing the door open. This thing could have just blown up a little and been unsafe, but made a huge mess. It could have just blown up part way and been a push and made a little bit of a mess, or it could have done what it did, just cooked very well. So I really don't know how to categorize this one. Anyway, I hope you had a great Halloween and enjoyed this Halloween special, even though I know this is a sucky one, and this might be one of my worst holiday specials ever. I promise I'll make it up to you for Christmas.